leveraging the intelligence of NSX intelligence to make recommendations. And we're going to go and do a discovery process where we look at what's actually going on in our environment, and NSX intelligence is going to come back with some recommendations on how to make it secure. So it suggested a whole lot of firewall rules, very precise rules, specifying exactly how the different components can communicate. Now, if we just keep clicking through this, we can get to a point where we're ready to deploy, but instead of doing deployment and not knowing what's going to happen, we can go and actually do a simulation first. So what this means is we now get a chance to see whether we're going to break anything before we turn on these new firewall rules. What we can see here is nothing's broken, the application's still communicating, and all the red's been turned to green because of the fact that we're patching or locking down all those vulnerable connections. So if we're happy with what we see, we can go and click on publish, and now we can get this actually pushed out into the firewall table. So we've taken the recommendation, we've published it in the firewall table. Let's go back and look at our first screen to see if we actually fixed the problem. And sure enough, everything that was red has gone to green. So we took all those vulnerable